Waweted Gobra Wabem Wabo Imeteke Sesi Daube Weba Abemia Aram Nagula Aram Nabe Kekwen Omiate Yenimi. Your Excellency, I can assure you that the persons you're seeing here, the kings, chiefs, and all others you're sitting here are real Kalabari people. They are real Kalabari people. And that is why we are here today. I would like to give a brief introduction. I'll start from my right. Please, with your permission, sir, I would like them to introduce themselves one after the other.
Thank you, His Excellency. My name is Israel Ines, King Lawrence Omibi Maba, Orubu Iyi Allah Odungwe Baboy. I'm Amadobe the 8th, Odun Baboy the 9th. Amayanabo of Abonnema and Chairman, Dega Traditional Rulers Council, and the Vice Chairman, Kalabari Ethnic Nationality.
Your Excellency, I am Alhaji Mujahid Abubakar Dokubo Asari, Dabayamakri the First, Amayanabo of the Source, Elem Kalabari Tops Ramapri.
Your Excellency,
and giving us some extra time. I know you're very busy, but it's important for the kings or monarchs to introduce themselves so that we can get on with why we are here. As I have already been introduced, I'm His Majesty King Disrael Gbobo Bob-Manuel, Amayanabo and Paramount Ruler of Abonnema, and Chairman, Akukutoro Council of Traditional Rulers and Chiefs. I stand here on behalf of our people, on behalf of the monarchs, on behalf of all the chiefs and people in the Kalabari ethnic nationality, to give this welcome address. Unfortunately, our father, Ramakri, is not here. He would have been doing this. But in his absence, I believe I am eminently qualified to do so. Your Excellency, we want to thank you. We want to tell you why we are here. We have come to say thank you to you and your administration for all you have done and you are still doing for the Kalabari people. The Kalabari people are spread across 3 local governments of Akukutoro, Asari Toro, and Degema. And we're all here in our numbers. As a matter of fact, I think they heard that there may not be enough seats. As I speak to you, there are still chiefs outside who would have loved to come in, but as you can see, the place is packed already. Your Excellency, what you have done for us is not what we can start telling people because they are all obvious. You have embarked on legacy projects, projects that will stand the test of time, projects that will outlive all of us here. You have also decided to undertake certain projects that have been very difficult for many people to actually grapple. For example, the Trans-Kalabari Road, as I've always mentioned in any of my speeches, that road singularly will bring about the emancipation of our people. It is not easy to invest or plow in the sum of over 200 billion into one single project. Probably that is why a lot of people kept away from it. We want to thank you. And we know that what you have started, you will finish. The other project that also is very touching to us is a road from Buguma, Tema to Abonnema. That is a road that is also dear to our hearts. We asked you, and you obliged us. And as we speak, there is a high and fast rate of construction going on. We have known you to be somebody, once you decide to do a thing, you ensure that it is done. I know the governor, I begin to fear so only by one area. Or I had to confirm if I'm still on track. Omete. Omete. Omelamam. Your Excellency, another thing that is very important to us is to remember to tell you thank you for working with our sons and daughters. The SSG occupies a very prominent position in your administration. And for you to give in that post, it means that it's somebody trustworthy. We want to thank you for expressing such trust. And we have several commissioners, members of boards and heads of parastatals that you have also appointed, who are working very closely with you. We want to thank you for that. I believe that we have a speech which we want to deliver to you. So please, with your permission, we will call on one of our sons to give this official speech. Omi Alamam.
Your Excellency will now invite to present